Hey guys, welcome to my channel Joeboy Techie. Hope you all are doing fine. And I have with me the Realme Power Bank. This is the 18 watt version with a capacity of 10,000 mAh. You also get two other variants of 12 watt and 30 watt charging. Now, most of the latest smartphones, be it budget, mid-range or flagship, all come with a minimum 18 watt charging support. But there are many out there who still use smartphones that support 15 watt charging or below that, thus ending up with a lot of battery drain issues. I have the S10 Plus that supports 15 watt charging, and the 18 watt version is more than enough for me. So yeah, this is priced at 999, and during any sale you could get this for 799. And here it says max capacity 18 watt, low current mode, where you can enable it if you want to charge devices that don't require a lot of charge like smart bands, smartwatches, wireless earphones, TWS, etc. Input and output, both ways you can use the type C slot, 13 layers of protection, and you can use both, that is the USB A and USB C slot simultaneously. Now you even get a yellow color variant, but I went for the black color one just because I wanted to keep it subtle. Inside you get the power bank itself that has this textured matte finish all over with a huge Realme branding on the front. Some instructions which you won't need after watching this video, and a good quality USB cable that has a USB type C and micro USB pin for your preference. And I think this is great from Realme. So you get the USB A, USB C, the battery indicators and the power button. If you press the power button once, it will show you how much battery is left in the power bank, where each indicates 25%. If you press it twice, it will activate the low current mode where you can charge smaller devices, and if you press it again, it will come back to 18 watt. So this is my S10 Plus that supports 15 watt charging, and after I plug it in, it shows fast charging, no worries with that. And I noticed that there was no compromise in the charging speed as compared to wired charging. When it comes to charging this power bank, it takes nearly 4 hours for a full charge, and I used my 15 watt Samsung charger to do so. Now I did notice a little heating issue in the top region while I was charging and using my device extensively at the same time, but that's kind of okay. The build quality is good, feels compact, you get an amazing charging cable, and $999 is worth paying for this power bank. The other similar alternatives are the Mi Power Bank and the OnePlus Power Bank. During this pandemic, a lot of stuff is not available to buy on Amazon or Flipkart, but some electronic essentials like power banks, earphones, extension cables, and any work from home related stuff is all available to buy. Guys, if you like this video or you found it informative, then hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, take care of yourself till then, see you next time.